English people say Happy New Year. Oh, I wanted to start the video like that. Buona no.
Hey, you're watching?
Hello everybody, I'm Anna and welcome to Live Love Lang, the channel where we teach you how to learn multiple languages and how to go abroad. Today I'm gonna explain to you something about Italian language that probably every one of you have heard in their life, but you don't know how to use it properly. So from today you will be able to impress your Italian friends using this word, which is buono. Buono is an Italian word. It means delicious, of course, as everybody in the entire world know. But not only that. Okay, first of all, it's not buono, it's buono. Buono.
Buono.
Buono.
Buono.
Buono.
Buono.
Please let me hear that U that is between the B and the O, because it's buono, it's not buono. Buono means another thing in Italian. It means, you know, okay, buono, I mean, it's a boy that you really like, if you know what I mean, and you use that word to describe it. So it's completely different meaning. So let me hear that here. Buono. So as we said, it means delicious, of course, but not only that. You can use that to speak about people, to describe some people's character. So you can say una persona buona, a good person, as like a really gentle person, or somebody that is really thoughtful about other people's needs. You can also use it for so many other things. So if something is valid or really pleasant or something like that, you can use the word buono to just describe that. But not only that, everybody in the entire world knows the Italian greeting is buongiorno, right? You heard about that, I'm sure. That word at the beginning is buon, that is short version of buono. So what you're saying is good day. That is equivalent to the English good morning. You can say buongiorno, or you can say buonasera to say good evening, or even buonanotte to say good night. In this case, it's the direct equivalent of the English word good. But it doesn't stop there. We can use it for so many occasions. So when there's some kind of holiday, like for example Christmas, English people say Merry Christmas, but Italian people say Buon Natale.
Buon Natale.
Buon Natale. We use the word buono to say that as well. So it's something that you wish, like it's a wish that you make. I wish your Christmas will be good. And it's not only that. English people say Happy New Year and we say Buon Anno.
Buon
Buon Anno. Anno means year, so have a good year. We use buono for that too. And usually, I don't know if it's only my family, but my mother always texts me and say Buona Domenica to me when it's Sunday. It means have a good Sunday because it's holiday. Or buon weekend, we can say buon weekend. But the most interesting part is when you are saying goodbye to somebody and you know they're gonna do something and you're not. For example, like let's say that somebody is gonna take a shower and you say, okay, I'm gonna take a shower now. It's really polite if you say buona doccia to them. It's cute. Enjoy your shower. It's like it's a little stupid, but it's cute. So we say it. Or we can say that for buon lavoro, to like enjoy your work, your job today. And also like we can say buono studio, that means have a good study day. The weird thing about this is that me as an Italian, I have the feeling I want to say this all the time, you know, when I have to say goodbye to people, but there is not the equivalent expression for that in English or other languages usually. So I have this feeling, and it's always so awkward when I say goodbye to people and I try to say this, but I cannot translate it and it seems like I cannot speak anymore. Of course, you can also make up some expressions, even if it's not correct Italian. We do it all the time. If the person that you're speaking to has to do something and they really don't want to, you want them to feel better, but you know they have to do the thing, you can just like make them smile a little bit, making up an expression to say like buon and the things they're gonna do. It's cute because it's not perfect Italian. Most of the time it's gonna make them smile. So you're making good thing for a friend. Last of all, I don't know if this is only my region in Italy. When you say goodbye to somebody and you don't know actually what they're gonna do, so you don't really know what to say, like buon what, you can say buon tutto. That means have a good everything. So you cannot make any mistakes if you say that. Hey guys, it's Hannah from the future. I forgot to tell you that actually we have two other expressions that are really useful when you're saying goodbye to somebody. In the morning or in the early afternoon, you can say buona giornata to them. And if you're saying goodbye in the evening, you can say buona serata to them. If you're in trouble and you don't know what to say, you can just say one of these two and everything will be fine. And that was all. So remember, it's buono, it's not bono.
Buono.
So we don't have to tell you what to do on YouTube anymore. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. We enjoy doing that and your support is important. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below so we can answer as soon as possible. So that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and everybody buon anno and buon tutto.